tapos kayo na? Ganito pa? Basta, Sabael, okay. Basta, gusto ko tawag Sabael, okay. A young, troubled man who's about to be married because love is the most important thing to him. Sabael yearns to be loved. Ba't ako naglalagay ng S? And it became his obsession. All he wants is a peaceful life together with his soulmate. So, kung may background to, last sound, papalitan ko yan sa edited version. And ito, a kind gentleman who became a priest to help others and to escape from human desires. Mainly the negativity that comes with being in love. Maybe he won't be scared to love if he just find the right person. Wow. So what's up mga tarapa? This is your Nalyin Gaming at maglalaro tayo ng Forgive My Desires, Father. Ano na naman yan? So, bago sa itong video na so, I will kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. So, huwag na pataglit itong video na to. Let's play Forgive My Desires, Father. So, let's play new game. So, may iba't ibang siya, ending. So, buksan natin, mag-load new game tayo. Hindi ko pa siya nalalaro. Then, I'm home. Oh, that's fresh. Okay, I stepped into the living room, hiding a present behind my back. Okay. Ano yun? Anong present mo? Soon as she noticed, my fiancé ran over and wrapped her arms around my back. Welcome home, Sammy. Oh my gosh! While we were sharing an embrace, her finger brushed across the present and I was holding. Is that? Since it was no longer a secret, kasi ba't mo kasi sinilip? I fast her the bouquet I had bought for her as a gift. It's for you. I pick out the prettiest of anong klaseng
Minsan hindi ko na alam kung ako yung may mali. Ako yung maling yung grammar or yung game. Baka pa ba lang.
Kala mo talagang galing mag-grammar. Suitable for someone as beautiful as you. Such a sweetheart. Danny held the flowers and took a wheel. They smell lovely. Malamang. Alam naman, mabaho, di ba? Di ka lang, bibigyan ka mabaho. I can't believe you still buy me flowers every single day. Baka wala na kayo pambayad ng kuryente niyan. Single day. Baka wala na kayo pambayad ng kuryente niyan. Umiilang beses ka na. Ikaw umiilang beses ka na. Umiilang beses ka na. Of course, I want to wholeheartedly show my love for you. My fiancé and I had been dating for 2 months. It was just last week that I got down on one knee and proposed to her. Oh, ang galing. Alam mo yung autoplay? Wait lang ha. Hindi kasi po. Hindi man lang ikalma no? People warned us we were moving too fast but they don't understand love. Ang bilis kasi 2 weeks tapos kayo na? Ano po? I wish to be married as soon as possible, for that is when I can finally become one with a person I love. That is the ideal true love. With an outside around us, she never lived. Okay? Never. Di mo sure, Tiko. Di mo sure. Di mo sure. I held Danny tightly in my arms. Her body felt warm and I felt myself absorb this warm and sensation. Di ko na babasahin. Bala na. Nakababay. Buti na lang may autoplay. Love is truly a powerful emotion. Which my life was perfect. Just the way I want it to be. I want things to stay in. Say that's it. Marunong ako magbasa. Kinakabahan lang kasi bilis nung ano, like,
Hindi ako seryoso, tapos papabasahin niyo ako.
Danny was exemplary in my eyes, gentle and warm. Those two traits were all I asked for. But it all changed one day. Who knew after a few months of dating that things would stay faithful like I... kasi
Mamadali ka!
basta wala akong alam dyan sa love advice. Nananahimik ako. Sabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Walang forever. Danny was slowly turning into a different person. She was no longer the gentle Danny who I knew once. Flowers again? You don't need to keep buying them. Where's my brows confused? She used to be happy when I bought her gifts away. Suddenly, your current song doesn't sound so pleasant. It sounded strong. Kasi she's a strong, independent woman. Sa ibang Lord ko mamaya yung mga hindi yung mga kasuklam na pangyayari. Naku, sana di ako maban dito sa sana matino yung game, okay? Ayoko maban. Ayoko magka-issue na naman sa Facebook, okay? Kasi mabait ako. Sammy, we should start saving up as much money as we can for our future. Don't worry about it. How not be worried when we're just scrapping by every month? We have up to plan and save the budget for our wedding. I figured something. No, you won't, Sammy. You were never a planner. You're always carefree. Ang sakit nun! Kung ako sa'yo, sasampal ko na. Good influence daw. Galing. Joke lang, mabait. You probably don't care about our wedding, do you? I do, I really do. If you actually cared, you would fought for your inheritance. Inheritance? That was a word that I despise with all my heart. My mother has passed away many months ago. She was a selfish... Nabubulol ako kasi may plema ako! She was a selfish person who only cared about herself. One day, a fire started and burned down the house with her in it. Oh my gosh. It was an accident, and my mother fortunately passed away in tragedy. Very unfortunate. I never liked her. The house insurance was in her mother's name, and there was no will. Another sibling lived in that home when they were younger, so they have as much right to fight for the money as I do. But I didn't want to join their bitter feud. Listening to family members yell to each other made me feel miserable and small. I don't want to hear their hostile voices, their horrid and harsh voice. I despise them. I'd rather be surrounded by the calming, gentle presence of my dear lover. Oy, autoplay na nga lang, natamad ako magbasa eh. Sonny, I wish I would start being responsible for our own sentence. We could do a lot of that money. We could have a huge wedding and invite hundreds. Ang kapal ng mukha! Gusto mo maraming guests, may pambayad ka? Kapal pag di kayo kumakain diba? Kayo na lang magbasa guys, natamad daw magbasa. Binabasa ko siya guys Oh, tatasa ka ng boses payag ka nun. Why isn't she using her sweet, gentle tone with me anymore? Because her mind was being invaded by greed, that horrible, horrible sin. Why does she want money? With the carefree way that you're acting, it's like you don't care about me or our future at all. Wow, kapal Who is spending money so recklessly? You should save more. Tas gusto mo punta tayo, ang kapal mo I will first escape from my children.
Why is she scolding me? I don't want to be yelled at. I really don't. I want you to calm and gentle Danny back. Please don't scold me. I'm not scolding you. I'm just trying to make our thing. Nagdadagdag ako ng world! Ano ba yan? Wala na ako sa utak ko. Ina. I never could stand it when someone raised their voice and the harsh tone that was direct toward me was unbearable. That tone was something I never could handle. The more she yelled at me, the more I felt trapped, as if I was losing my rational senses. If you don't start contributing to our future, everything we work hard will be meaningless. But hindi mo naman kailangan maging so mean, di ba? Naging ibang tao ka na. Another woman. Oh my gosh. Sino yun? Heart started trembling loud. That word, that all too familiar word, the demon likes to call me by. You're useless, someone. No. My heart rate increased, and my head throbbed as if someone was stabbing my brain. Wala na siya ng sanity, guys. Kakaano ko to Blair. Kakalaro ko to ng Blair Be concerned. What's wrong? Are you alright? Fancy looked a few steps forward, but the closer she got, the more I saw her. My deceased mother. Alam mo, numulto ka na mother mo. I should be dead. You should be dead, so why you were here? Some of you have always been worthless. Stop, don't say that. Don't say it anymore. Both Danny's and Mother's voice merged as they screeched into my eardrums. Baka mabasag ka ng eardrums. Ay, ano? Weird ko na! You were nothing but a nuisance to me. Oh, seem the joke. Payag ka, ginaganyan ka lang. No, don't come any closer. I hate you. I hate you with all my heart. The ringing in my ears suddenly stopped. I could clearly see. I watched her pass out. She seemed as if she was about to cry, but why? What's wrong? Could you? Oh, inaway ka, te. Payag ka nun. Ouch. I wasn't intended for you. I was incomprehensible to me as to why she was ingraded, but I felt anyway. I left not because I want to reflect, but it was because I didn't want to surrender the anger. I didn't like that side of Danny. What is an ugly, ugly emotion. I hate it. I found myself at graveyard, hovering over a tombstone. There were you here in a mortal world. From all the sins you've committed, have you become a demon after all? My gosh, your mother is scary. A marvel. Leveneld being whose purpose is to cause despair and misfortune in others. How soothing for someone like you. Please stop coming in my life. I despise it. I wish to never see you again. What you do? Uy, di ako yan. The voice whispered in my ears. Sorry, but nobody was. Hala, minumulto ka, kuya. Hala, pagsuri ka. Pagsuri ka, bili habang may ano. Ako, bastos. So stop bothering me. Nako, wala akong alam dito inigilabutan ako din, grabe. I know everything that you did. Ay, pipindutin pala, tanga. Hindi ko pinindot these hard toys. They had been bothering me for a while. Sometimes they tried to convince me odd things. Other times, like now, they tried to pick guilt upon me. It's nonsense the fear in. Hello, guys! It's an essence of your evil that has been invading my life. You didn't feel relieved when you killed? No, not at all! No, I didn't. I did nothing to her! Unable to handle it any longer, I covered my ear with my hand, but the voice was still clear. No, I'm not. Samuel didn't do that. I did nothing. I'm begging you. Please stop talking. The voice only grew louder. Dapat sinabi mo, lakasan mo pa! Diba sarcasm? Joke lang. Philosophy bata. Our Father, your power brings upon to birth. You provide guidance our life, and by your command we would return to dust. Suddenly the voice in my head stopped, and we were freeze with a more soothing voice. Realized that it didn't come from my head this time, but from someone nearby. Praying instantly made me feel at ease, being moved from trouble. Dapat dapat kasi nagdasal ka, no? Ano na, walang signal. Walang signal. Walang signal, walang signal, walang signal. The owner of the soothing tone came from the priest who was performing a funeral service. Hala, okay lang ba? Hala, gagi. Wait lang guys, i-load lang muna. Nagagi ay mag full screen. Hala, ayaw. Oh my gosh.